Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Tech Beats. SQL programming skills are highly desirable and required in the market as there is a massive use of database management systems in almost every software application. Regardless of any specific programming position that you are applying for, it is safe to assume that you will be asked some basic questions related to database and SQL. Whether you are fresh out of college or you have a few years of experience, you must have a firm hold on how to update, delete, select, and insert records with SQL queries. In order to get a job, candidates need to crack the interview in which they are asked various SQL interview questions. Hi, I'm Saili Mohite, Technical Associate, and here are some basic SQL interview questions that will help you prepare better for your interview. What are the different types of SQL commands? SQL commands can be briefly categorized into four key categories based on their functionalities. Data definition language. DDL is a part of SQL which defines data structure once the database is created. It mainly creates and structures the database objects. Some commands are create, alter, drop. Data manipulation language. DML is, as its name suggests, is used to manipulate data in the database. DML commands help users retrieve and manipulate data using commands like insert, update, and delete. DCL, data control language, is used to provide access to data in the database. It is used to give access and control the distribution of privileges to the users in the database. Some commands grant and revoke. TCL, transaction control language, is used to control the changes made by DML commands. It also authorizes the statements to assemble in conjunction into logical transactions. Some commands save point, commit, rollback. State the key differences between having and where clause. Where clause is used to filter records from the table based on the specified condition. Having clause is used to filter records from the groups based on the specified condition. Where clause can be used without group by clause. Having clause cannot be used without group by clause. Where clause implements in row operations. Having clause implements in column operation. Where clause cannot contain aggregate functions. Having clause can contain aggregate functions. Where clause can be used with select, update, delete statements. Having clause can only be used with select statements. Column or a set of columns that are unique. In other words, every value is unique for a primary key. Some key rules for primary key are each table can have only one SQL primary key. All the values are unique. Primary key cannot be null. What is a foreign key and how to create a foreign key in SQL? A foreign key in SQL could be a column or a set of columns that provides a link between data among two tables in the RDBMS. This would be a cross-reference platform between two tables because it references the primary key of the second table and maintains a link between these two tables. The foreign key is an important part of the database design similar to the primary key, and both have the capability to control data updates in a more interesting way. It strongly supports data integrity and avoids modification that could violate the data integrity rules. To create foreign key in SQL, we can use two popular techniques. Inline method. In case of inline method, this command can be used to create a foreign key. Specify the keyword create table, then the table name. In open brackets, you will specify the foreign key column name, add keyword references, then specify the name of the other table, and in brackets, the other table's column name. Out-of-line method. In case of out-of-line method, the syntax can be used to create a foreign key in SQL. Start by declaring the table name and columns in the table. Then add the keyword constraint, then the constraint's name. Add the keyword foreign key and then the column name that will be the foreign key column. After that, add references and the referring table's name. In brackets, add the other table's column name. What is an index? Indexes are special lookup objects that the database search engine can use to speed up the data retrieval. Simply put, an index is a pointer to the data in the table. An index in a database is very similar to an index in the back of the book. For example, if you want to reference all pages in a book that discuss a certain topic, you first refer the index, which lists out all the topics alphabetically and are then referred to one or more specific page numbers. Basic syntax of create index is create index name on table name. Indexes help speed up searching in the database. If there is no index or any column used in the where clause, then the SQL has to skim through the entire table and check each and every row to find matches, which might result in a slow operation on large tables. Hope these questions and answers help you prepare better for your job interview. Please note that these are some of the key questions and you should refer for more material available online that can enable you to easily crack the interview. Stay tuned to our channel for more such informative content.